Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 12 Algebraic Expressions. Next is how are expressions formed? We now know very well what a variable is. We use letters X, Y, L, M, and so on, etc. to denote variables. A variable can take various values. Its values is not fixed. On the other hand, a constant has a fixed value. For example of constants are 4, 100, minus 17, etc. These are the numbers where variables are not used. When variables are not there in the given expression, then that is called constant. We combine variables and constants to make algebraic expressions. For this, we use the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We have already come across expressions like 4x plus 5, 10y minus 20. The expression 4x plus 5 is obtained from the variable x. First, by multiplying x by the constant 4 and then adding constant 5 to the product. Similarly, 10y minus 20 is obtained by first multiplying y by 10 and then subtracting 20 from the product. The above expression were obtained by combining variables with constants. We can also obtain expressions by combining variables with themselves or with other variables. Look at how the following expressions are obtained. X square, 2y square, 3x square, minus 5, xy, 4xy plus 7. The first, the expression x square is obtained by multiplying the variable x by itself. That is x into x, you will get x square. Just as 4 into 4 is written as 4 square. We write x into x equal to x square. It is commonly read as x squared. Now second, the expression 2y square is obtained from y. 2y square equal to 2 into y into y. Here, by multiplying y with y, we obtain y square, and then we multiply y square by the constant 2. Now third, in 3x square minus 5, we first obtain x square and multiply it by 3 to get 3x square. From 3x square, we subtract 5 to finally arrive at 3x square minus 5. Now fourth, in xy, we multiply the variable x with another variable y. Thus, x into y equal to xy. Now fifth, in 4x y plus 7, we first obtain xy, multiply it by 4 to get 4xy, and add 7 to 4xy to get the expression. Now terms of an expression. We shall now put in systematic form what we have learned above about how expressions are formed. For this purpose, we need to understand what terms of an expression and their factors are. Consider the expression 4x plus y. In forming this expression, we first formed 4x separately as a product of 4 and x and then added 5 to it. Similarly, consider the expression 3x square plus 7y. Here, we first formed 3x square separately as a product of 3 dot x and x. We then formed 7y separately as a product of 7 and y. Having formed 3x square and 7y separately, we added them to get the expression. Expressions are made up of terms. Terms are added to make an expression. For example, the addition of terms 4xy and 7 gives the expression 4xy plus 7. A term is a product of factors. The term 4xy in the expression 4xy plus 7 is a product of factors x, y, and 4. Factors containing variables are said to be algebraic factors. We can represent the terms and factors of the terms of an expression conveniently and elegantly by a tree diagram. Tree diagram. The tree for the expression 4x square minus 3xy is as shown in the adjacent figure. See here in the figure, what is the expression? Expression is 4x square minus 3xy. Here what is term? Term is 4x square and minus 3xy. These are two terms. And what are the factors? How 4x square is formed? Here factors are 4, x and x. If we multiply 4 into x, we will get 4x square. Therefore 4, x and x are factors. Similarly, minus 3xy is second term of this expression. Here this term is obtained by multiplying minus 3 into x into y. Here minus 3, x and y are factors of term minus 3 x y. Now see the second expression. Second expression is 5xy plus 10. Here what is term? Here 5xy and 10 are terms. What are the factors of 5xy? The factors of 5xy are 5, x and y. And factor of 10 is 10. Or you can write 2 into 5. The coefficient is a numerical factor in the term. Sometimes any one factor in a term is called coefficient of the remaining part of the term. In 5xy, 5 is the coefficient of the term. It is also the coefficient of xy in the term 10xyz. 10 is the coefficient of xyz. In the term minus 7 x square y square, minus 7 is the coefficient of x square y square. When the coefficient of a term is plus 1, it is usually omitted. It is not written. For example, 1x is written as x. What is the coefficient of x? It is 1, because 1 is omitted. It is not written with the variable. If there is no numerical value of any term of an algebraic expression, then we take 1 as numerical coefficient. 1x square y square is written as x square y square, and so on. Also, the coefficient minus 1 is indicated only by the minus sign. Thus, minus 1x is written as minus x. Minus 1 x square y square is written as minus x square y square, and so on. Now come to example 1. Identify in the following expressions terms which are not constants. Give their numerical coefficients. Here say the solution. Make a table. Here write down serial number, then expression, then term which is not a constant, then numerical coefficient of that term. Here say first one, it is 4x plus 4. Here, which is the term which is not constant? It is xy. The xy is a term which is not constant. What is the coefficient, numerical coefficient of xy? Here no numerical value is given to you. You have to take it as 1. So, numerical coefficient is 1. Now say second part. It is 13 minus y square. Here term which is not constant is minus y square. What is the numerical coefficient? It is minus 1. Here numerical value is not given. You have to take 1 and you have to consider the sign. If minus sign is written, you have to write the minus sign. Now third part, it is 13 minus y minus 5y square. Here there are two terms which are not constant, that is minus y, and second is 5y square. In minus y, what is the numerical coefficient? It is minus 1. And in 5y square, numerical coefficient is 5. Now come to fourth part. Your expression is 4p square q minus 3pq square plus 5. Here terms which are not a constant are 4p square q and minus 3pq square. In term 4p square q, what is the numerical coefficient? It is 4. And in term minus 3pq square, what is the coefficient? Numerical coefficient, it is minus 3.